The Little Star's Adventure. Once upon a time, in a twinkling sky, there was a little star named Sparkle. Sparkle loved to shine and twinkle, making the night sky so pretty. One night, Sparkle felt curious. I wonder what's beyond the sky, Sparkle thought. So Sparkle decided to go on an adventure. With a twinkle and a shimmer, Sparkle started to move. On the way, Sparkle met Moon, who smiled and said, "Where are you off to, little star?" "I want to see what's beyond the sky," Sparkle replied. Moon said, "I'll help guide you through the night." Together, they soared higher and higher. They passed planets that glowed with colors and comets that zoomed by. But then a cloud covered Sparkle, and it got dark. "Oh no!" Sparkle cried. But Moon's soft light peeked through the cloud. "I'm here, Sparkle. You're not alone." The cloud soon floated away, and Sparkle's light twinkled again. Finally, they reached the very edge of the sky. There, they saw a golden sunrise painting the world with warm colors. "It's so beautiful," Sparkle whispered. Moon smiled. "Now you've seen something special." Sparkle realized that even beyond the sky, there were amazing things to discover. With a happy heart, Sparkle and Moon returned to their places in the night sky. As Sparkle shone, it knew that adventures could be found right at home. And so, every night, Sparkle and Moon lit up the sky, sharing their special story with the world. "Good night, Sparkle," Moon whispered. "Good night, Moon," Sparkle twinkled. And as the stars blinked above, children everywhere fell asleep, dreaming of twinkling stars and magical adventures.